Hello. Every day, millions of retail investors in India make stock decisions based on incomplete information. Maybe a news headline, a tip from a friend, or just a gut feeling. What if you could ask an AI in plain English and get a full institutional-grade analysis in under 15 seconds? That's exactly what I built. This is an Indian stock intelligence tool, an MCP server that connects directly to Claude Desktop and generates live data source insights, runs calculations, and opens a dashboard in a browser, all triggered by a single message from you. To see how it works, let's say I want to check a particular stock, like Infosys. I'll give a prompt. Analyze Infosys, generate a report, and show me a dashboard. This MCP server will take those three inputs and make calls to the right tools. It works sequentially and generates a report for me. Let's see how it works. You can see how it is progressing. First, it analyzes the stock by calling multiple APIs and endpoints to get various data points, including fundamental and technical analysis, as well as the latest news. Once this analysis is complete, it is going to generate a report, and finally, the dashboard. This is the final outcome that you see on the page, generated in less than 20 to 25 seconds. It even generates a UI dashboard. Let's click on this. This is the dashboard. It provides an aggregated score of 44. It is giving a sell rating to this stock. It provides a brief summary explaining why. You can see a couple of things here. There is the overview, signals, fundamentals, sentiment, competitors, news, and R&D developments related to this stock. If I go to the Overview tab, it tells me the bullish signals related to this stock. What are the risk factors involved with this stock? Then it goes to the Signal step, which breaks down each indicator individually, such as news sentiment, RSI, open interest, sector performance, completed ranking, and many other factors. If you go to the Fundamentals tab, it digs into the balance sheet. It tells you about the PE ratio compared against the sector average, not just a number. It includes the debt-to-equity ratio, ROE, and many technical indicators. Then it goes to the sentiment analysis, which uses the BERT model in the back end and shows the 6-month trend of news coverage. Is the market getting more positive or negative about this stock over time? Then it shows how the competitors are doing. If we have Wipro, Persistent, and Coforge as competitors, it shows how well they are doing compared to Infosys. Finally, the News tab shows the actual headlines that drove the sentiment score. It is color-coded by positive, negative, or neutral, with the source and the date. It even gives you links so you can refer to the latest happenings with this stock. Then finally, R&D and the future. The R&D and future section tells you about the latest research and development the company is doing. Finally, this is how it works. This is what I think AI-assisted tooling should look like. Not a chatbot that talks about stocks in vague terms, and not a dashboard, but an AI that does the legwork across multiple live data sources with explainable outputs at every step. Thanks for watching.